Good morning, students. How are you? Okay. Now this is part 27. In this part also, I am going to teach integration by part. Clear? And in this video, integration by part means repeated integration. Repeated means whatever question is there during the integration, same questions will repeat. This type question is called, this type integration is called repeated integration. Understood? Then I am going to tell first question. Integration by part. Clear? Repeated integration means question number 1 here, e power x sin x dx. When we integrate given function, during integration same function will repeat. Now I let inverse log algebraic, no trigonometrical, first function and e power x is second function. Means according to ILET, we suppose which one is the first and which is the second function. Then integration of sin x into e power x dx is equal to what? First function, second function. Now first of all write in the formula sin x integration of e power x dx minus differentiation of sin x integration of e power x and whole integration of this. Then sin x integration of e power x is what? E power x minus differentiation of sin x is what? Cos of x into e power x dx. Sin x into e power x minus again integration of cos x into e power x. Means cos x is the first function, e power x is the second function. Clear? Now leaving cos x, integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of cos x means what? Minus sin x integration of e power x dx. Clear? And bracket close. Sin x into e power x minus cos x e power x minus plus here and sin x into e power x and dx. Here sin x into e power x, open the bracket, minus cos x into e power x minus plus minus and sin x into e power x and dx. Now same here, sin x into e power x dx. Now we suppose this is equal to I. If during the integration, if any question will repeat, during the integration, if any question or function will repeated in this question, we suppose total function is equal to I. Then e power x sin x integration of e power x sin x dx. When we use the formula of integration of product of two function, means sin x integration of e power x minus whole integration of differentiation of sin x into integration of e power x. Then sin x integration of e power x means e power x minus differentiation of sin means cos, integration of e power x means e power x. Again integration of cos x into e power x. Then same formula we have to apply. Then directly I have solved here. Leaving cos x integration of e power x means e power x minus integration of differentiation of cos x means minus sin x into integration of e power x dx. Now we will open the bracket. Then after that sin x into e power x minus cos x e power x minus minus plus into minus minus sin x into e power x. Now you can see to right side last term. What is the last term? Integration of sin x e power x dx. Means same question will repeated here. Whatever question is there, integration of sin x into e power x dx. What is the last terms to the right side? Same question, sin x e power dx. In these conditions, in this situation, we can suppose total question is equal to I. Understood? Then I here, I is equal to sin x e power x minus cos of x e power x minus I. Clear? And 2I is equal to what? Sin x e power x minus cos of x e power x plus c here. And I is equal to what? 1 by 2 in bracket sin x e power x minus cos of x e power x plus c. And last one e power x sin x minus cos x plus c. This is answer. Understood? This is first question, question number 1 here. Now see question number 2. Integration of sin x log x dx. Clear? In these questions, you can say integration of sin x log of x dx. Then we can use substitution methods, that is let log x is equal to t or u or v, whatever suitable for you can take. Let log x is equal to t here, 1 by x dx is equal to what? dt. Dx is equal to x into dt. Clear? Now here sin t into dx is equal to what? X into dt. Now what is value of x? E power t. Now sin t into e power t dt. Clear? Same things, means this is first function and second function. You can see here same question, same sin t e power t dt, sin x e power x dx. Same question, means both are same, similar. Only difference of variable. In this questions t is the variable, in that questions x is variable. Rule is only same. I think you can do this question also. Understood? Okay. In this question, integration of x square e power x cube cos x cube dx. Understood? First of all, we have to think what we have to do, by which methods applying answer will come. Cos x cube e power x cube. It means here in this question let x cube is equal to t. 3x square dx is equal to dt. Now here dx is equal to what? dt by 3x square. X square e power t cos of t dx is equal to what? dt upon 3x square. X square cancelled by this x square, 1 by 3 e power t and cos of t and dt. Understood? In this question also product of exponential and trigonometrical. So during the integration it will be repeated. Now this is suppose here I. Clear? Now I is equal to what? Cos t e power t dt. First function, second function. Clear? And leaving first function, integration of second function minus differentiation of first function integration of second functions dt, and here, and cos of t e power t minus, in differentiation of cos means what? Minus sin t e power t means e power t dt, and cos of t e power t minus minus plus sin t e power t dt. Here, this is I. Again, integration of this function cos t e power t plus, now first function, second function, leaving first function, integration of second function minus differentiation of first function, integration of second functions, and dt. Clear? I is equal to cos of t e power t plus sin of t e power t minus cos t e power t dt. Now we can say integration of cos t e power t dt, integration of cos t e power t dt, same function, same question. Then I is equal to cos t e power t plus sin t e power t minus I. I transfer this side to I is equal to e power t common, cos t plus sin t plus c. Here, then I is equal to what? I is equal to e power t by 2 cos t sin t plus c. Now at last we have to put the value of t. T is equal to what? T is equal to, we can suppose here, x cube. So answer is I means is equal to e power x cube by 2 and cos of x cube plus sin of x cube plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Okay. This question, integration of e power x sin square x dx. Then it is also product of two functions, but we don't have integration of sin square x directly. This sin square x going to break into without square with the help of cos 2x. As you know, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. I am going to write cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x. Sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x upon. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 2 sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x. Then sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Now in the place of sin square x, going to put 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. E power x 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 and dx. Clear? Now here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 outside here, e power x 1 minus cos 2x and dx. 1 by 2 e power x dx minus 1 by 2 e power x cos 2x and dx. Clear? Very simple. Open the bracket, e power x minus e power cos 2x multiplied by 1 by 2. Now integration of e power x means e power x upon 2 minus, what is integration of e power x cos of 2 dx. Now suppose I here. Clear? I is equal to what? E power x cos 2x dx is equal to first function, second function. Leaving first function, integration of e power 2 means x means e power x minus differentiation of cos means what? Minus 2 into sin 2x e power x and dx. Then e power x cos of 2x minus minus plus sign here and 2x e power x and dx. Again integration of first function and second function. E power x cos of 2x plus 2 u and v, leaving sin 2x integration of e power x minus differentiation of sin 2x means what? 2 into cos of 2x e power x and dx. Clear? Now I e power x cos of 2x plus 2 into sin 2x e power x plus into minus minus sign, 2 to the 4 and cos 2x e power x and dx. Now we can check, we can say cos 2x e power x, cos 2x e power x, that is I here. Then this is I here, suppose. Clear? So 4I means I is equal to e power x cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x e power x minus 4I. Now this side transfer this side, 4I plus I is equal to what? 5I is equal to e power x plus 2 into sin 2x e power x. Then I is equal to what? 1 by 5 and e power x cos 2x 2 into sin 2x e power x. Clear? This is not complete answer because we have to put I here. Therefore, final answer is e power x by 2 minus 1 by 2. What is value of e power x cos 2x dx? E power x cos 2x dx means what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 e power x cos of 2x plus 2 into sin of 2x e power x and plus c. Now e power x by 2 minus 1 by 10 and e power x common, then cos 2x plus 2 into sin 2x plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Now I am going to give homework question. Integration of e power minus x sin x, integration of e power 2x cos x sin x, and third question 1 by x cube into sin log of x. Understood? So I have completed integration by part with the help of repeated integration as a means. If during the integration question will repeat, then this type question is called, this type function is called repeated integration. Then I have given homework questions at the end of exercise and chapters. Please, I request you, how many questions either from exercise or from example. Please, I hope you may complete your homework question and exercise chapters, and you will prepare, because in this month or next month, anytime you may give the test. Thank you very much.